Hi, my name is Ken. I'm one of the math tutors at Valencia College West Campus. Two things I like: good cigar, good math problem. Well, I've already got the cigar. Let's see what math problem we got today. Hi, today we're going to look at solving a quadratic with the quadratic formula, but specifically we're going to look at something that causes a lot of students problem, and that's when they give you the equation out of order, not meaning that the powers don't go from highest to lowest like we're used to seeing them. Remember, the general form of a quadratic is ax squared plus bx plus c. So, for instance, the a is attached to the x squared term. Well, some students would look at this equation and say, because this is the first term, this must be the letter a. But it's not. This is the a because it has to be the coefficient attached to the x squared term. So the first thing I'm going to do on this, I'm going to rewrite this and put it back into the form it's supposed to be in, which would be 2x squared plus 3x minus 7. And now we can easily see that our a is 2, our b is 3, and our c is negative 7. So let's go ahead and solve this. Remember, the quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus the square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Big formula, but we use this thing a lot, so you should have it memorized. Let's go ahead and plug our numbers into it. Remember, b is 3, so that's going to be negative 3 plus or minus the square root b squared, 3 squared is 9, minus 4 times a is 2, times c is negative 7. And this is all over 2a, which is 2. 2 times 2. So let's go ahead and figure this out. We have negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 9. Remember, negative times negative is going to make this a positive. 4 times 2 is 8, times 7 is 56. Over 2 times 2 is 4. Come over here, I'm getting a little bit too low. So negative 3 plus or minus the square root. 9 plus 56 is 65 over 4. And I don't think that reduces, so this is our final answer right here. Negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 65 over 4. So just remember, if they give you one that's out of order, rewrite it in terms of going from the highest power of x down to just the number, and then solve it from there. If you have any questions, come on in and see me in the tutoring center.